video, I'm gonna put you on another list this Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone! During this busy period, I like to cook something quick, simple, yet delicious. First, we need to prepare a good marinade. In today's marinade, we have the mixture of the following ingredients. Ladies and gentlemen, we have precious salt, the beautiful sugar, smoky white pepper, sweet red onion, pungent garlic, lusty ginger juice, optional rice wine, mysterious soy sauce, and last but not least, we have Korean red chili paste. After washing and drying the boneless chicken leg, pour half of the marinade over it. After adding the second leg, cover with the rest of the marinade. Marinate them for 3 to 12 hours. Strip off the excess marinade before putting the chicken on the baking rack. As the chicken defrosts, preheat the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Now, first off, these would take 10 to 12 minutes in the oven, depending on how thick the chicken legs are. Every oven is different, cook at about 150 to 160 degrees Celsius. After 10 to 12 minutes in the oven, we can smell the chicken and it's almost ready. Remove the oil on the skin before brushing on some marinade. If you don't have a brush, a spoon would be fine too. And it's definitely easier to wash than a brush. Okay, back in the oven for 5 to 6 minutes. If you want the skin to be a darker golden brown, cook at a high temperature and for a longer time. In the meantime, we can prepare the sesame seeds. Sesame seeds burn very easily and will give off a bitter taste when burnt. So cook them on very small fire for around 2 minutes or until lightly brown like that. Cut off the burnt parts. This juicy Korean grilled chicken goes well with steamed rice and my homemade kimchi. I wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.